It has been many years that I draw, maybe since childhood, but it has been a year and a half now that I dedicated more time for art in general. I enrolled in online tutorials with the Vienna Academy of Visionary Art, and like that I ensured that I practice art more than just a hobby. My one and only inspiration has always been nature. Since I live now among trees in the Lebanese mountains, it's impossible not to feel inspired by all the beauty around me. Last month I went on a road trip to visit a few villages with friends in far places in Lebanon, some of which had rivers and waterfalls. I loved the colors of the water and stones. Water actually boosts us with this very, very special healing energy. And while looking for inspiration, I noticed how nature is the most beautiful office in the entire world. The flowing waters, the sounds, the mist, and energy. The white, flowing water, the colors and sunlight reflecting. The trees and the warmth. We just felt very happy being surrounded by all of that. It is the Creator's gift to us. It's what we eat and breathe. It's really what our food is all made from. Nature. On our way, we also stopped at a very magnificent sight. The waterfall. This waterfall and the strength with which the water is flowing is what inspired me to do what I will show you next. After that trip, I started working on a new series of paintings while exploring the theme of Feng Shui and nature. I was deeply inspired by Lebanon's nature, the rivers and waters that flow in that time of the year. The element of water nourishes us, and in Feng Shui it is said that placing a water element or picture of a waterfall in the wealth area of the house or room can attract fortune and wealth. There's a link below to learn how to spot the wealth area in your house map based on the compass directions. It might be your sitting room or even your bedroom. Usually, it is at the southeast side of the house, following a compass direction. So look for that area in your house and add a water element in it. Or maybe hang a picture of a waterfall. It's best if it's flowing water to symbolize the flow of wealth into your life. In the end process, I added a texture of 18-karat gold leaf paper. I wanted that to be a symbol of wealth that waterfalls can bring. So I named the painting Golden Waterfall. Just like all artists, we struggle with setting a price for an original painting. So that's why I'll share it with those interested in buying the original piece only. Otherwise, there will be available prints in smaller sizes for sale as well. You can check the description below for more information about the original painting, its size, and the sizes of the print, smaller versions. And for those who purchased the original, You will receive it packaged, of course, with a certificate of authenticity, along with a free postcard. As you can see, the painting shows this reflection of the gold as you move and walk past it. Creativity, as we know it, is really meant to run free and wild. So you can just let it flow like the waterfall. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this art.